Now, the one downside of putting our drushrc.php file inside of our Drupal directory is that now we can only use it within this single site. If we wanted to use it on a different site, say for example our production site, which is currently on our local machine, we would see that it doesn't work. So I'm going to go ahead and do a drush glo here, and you see we get an error. Now this particular command is going to be useful across the board on all of our Drupal sites locally. And so this is a good candidate for putting in a global configuration file instead of in a site-specific one. Now the place where Drush is going to look for this global configuration file is in the .drush folder inside of your user directory. Now regardless of your operating system, you can get to your users directory by going cd and then a tilde. And if you do a pwd, you'll see where exactly this is. Now, since we're here on the command line in our users directory, let's go ahead and create a directory command line fashion by doing mkdir.drush. And this will create our folder. Now, if we navigate to this location in our file system, we'll see our .drush folder inside of wherever our users directory is. From here, let's go ahead and copy this drushrc.php file and paste it inside of our Drush folder. And now if we jump back to the command line and go back to our Drupal site, and we do drush glo one more time, we'll see that the alias now works. So at this point, you can go ahead and create an alias for any commands that seem a little cumbersome when you're having to type them out verbatim online, and then use those shortcuts to speed up your development process.